Racing just is started. We have Pedro Penduko. There was a spill. Jackie RB Brother, rider for Pretty Bull. Left unseated. We have Pedro Penduko. By length and a half. Masaganang Ani in second. Touch of class. Then next on that is Happy Boomer. Green Lane. Playmaker is running by the rail. Miss Fangao. Rising Star is on the outside. Sears Tower is down on the inside. While Reality Show is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Pedro Penduko by about 6 lengths. Masagana nga in second. Touch of class. Happy Boomer in the middle portion. Playmaker, then comes Green Lane, Rising Star. Miss Pangaw is down on the inside. Sears Tower, while Reality Show is still racing in less than the fourth turn. We have Pedro Penduko by about 4 lengths. Then here comes Happy Boomer, now about to throw the challenge on the outside. We have Pedro Penduko. Happy Boomer moving up on the outside, and now saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have Happy Boomer with a breakaway run by about 4 lengths. Moving up on the outside is Green Lane, but it's still Happy Boomer, followed by Green Lane, Playmaker, Rising Star, and finally Happy Boomer. Green Lane, Rising Star, then comes Playmaker, Masaganang Ani, and Sears Tower.
All right, turned out to be the second choice, the Happy Boomer capturing the third race.
3:11:10.